All right, so I know we have been learning all about coins, but today we are going to be working with dollar bills involving word problems. So, no more coins for today, strictly word problems involving dollar bills, okay? I hope you're ready. Get your pen and your paper. Well, pencil and paper, just in case you have to erase something. Totally okay, though. But get your pencil and your paper, and let's get started. Now, before we get started, I want to go over something that I don't want us to trip up over. Like I'm going to trip over this cord. Let's clear something up. This, I really want y'all to see it up and close. This is a dollar sign. Today, we will be using the dollar sign because we will be expressing word problems in dollars. Now, I know we are really familiar with the cent sign, but today we're not going to be using the cent sign. This is only for coins. Today we are only working on dollars. So get familiar with the dollar sign. It's an S with two lines through it. All right, let's go ahead and get started on our word problem. All right, let's jump straight into the first problem. It says Alyssa has 5 $5 bills and 3 $10 bills in her wallet. How much money is in her wallet? Now, as always, we use the RDW strategy to solve it. R meaning to read it. Now, what can we draw? We can draw a wallet. Now, whenever I think of a wallet, I always think of some kind of like rectangular thing. So I'm just going to draw like a rectangle. And it says she had 5 $5 bills. Watch as I represent 5 $5 bills. Now, I know that I know that we are used to drawing cents or like coins, but I'm going to draw smaller rectangles to represent our dollar bills. So since there are 5 $5 bills, I'm going to draw 5 rectangles, and I'm going to put 5 in each of them. And I'm going to make sure I put my dollar sign because that represents that I have $5 and not 5 cents. And it also says that Alyssa has 3 $10 bills. So I'm going to draw 3 $10. I want you to look very closely as I draw it. I draw a rectangle. I'm going to draw an S with 2 lines through it. And I'm going to put a $10 by it. That lets me know that that is $10. The dollar sign lets me know that it is 10. All right. Now, it wants me to know how much money is in her wallet. I am going to count the largest amount first. So let's see. The $10 bills are a lot larger than the $5 bills. So I'm going to count the $10 bills first. And I'm going to cross it out as I go. 10, 20, 30. But I'm not done. I have $5 bills, so I need to keep counting. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. That means Alyssa has $55 in her wallet. The last step of RDW is writing a sentence. So that's exactly what I'm going to write. Alyssa has... Notice how I wrote my dollar sign first. That way I know that it's dollars. $55 in her wallet. Give yourself a kiss on the brain if you did it with me. So smart. Let's go on to the next one. The next one says Kiko's brother says he will trade her 2 quarters, 4 dimes, and 2 nickels for a $1 bill. He wants to know, is this an equal trade? Now, off the top of my head, I probably don't know if it's an equal trade. So I should draw something so that I can understand if this is an equal trade or if it isn't an equal trade. So the first thing that you want to do is put these in order. As you can see, 2 quarters, 4 dimes, 2 nickels, they're already in order. So I want you to draw them first. So 2 quarters, remember, now that we're showing coins, we do the cent sign. So 2 quarters, and I'll do that. 4 dimes, so 10 cents 4 times. And 2 nickels. And on the other side, I'm going to draw $1. I'm going to draw that by doing a dollar sign and drawing the number 1. He wants to know, is this an equal trade? I'm going to put an equal sign right here. Now, before I move on, I have to know how much is 2 quarters, 4 dimes, and 2 nickels. So that means we have to add them. We've learned from previous days that we count them and we cross them off, and we always begin with the biggest coin first. So, cross it out as we count. 25, 50. Now we need to count by tens because we have dimes in front of us. So 25, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And finally, we need to count by fives because we have nickels. So 90, 95, $1. So we now know that 2 quarters, 4 dimes, and 2 nickels is $1 or 100 cents. So we can put $1 or we can put 100 cents. Either way, it's the same thing. So is this an equal trade? We now know that yes, this is an equal trade because 100 cents is the exact same as $1. So we should write a sentence that says, yes, this, I did not start my sentence with a capital letter. This is an equal trade. Perfect. Now the last one you're going to do by yourself. I want you to pause the video wherever you are and solve it, and then we're going to go back and collaborate. I'll read it for you. It says, Mr. Sims has 5 $10 bills and 7 $1 bills. How much money does he have? Go ahead and pause the video, and then we're going to do it together. All right, let's do our last problem. Let's read what it says. It says, Mr. Sims has 5 $10 bills and 7 $1 bills. How much money does he have? So the first thing we should do is draw 5 $10 bills. Once again, we will draw rectangles and we will put our dollar signs and $10 bills. I have the hiccups. And it says he also has 7 $1 bills. So we're going to draw 7 $1 bills. One. As always, since we already have them in order, we're just going to count them and cross them off as we go. We're going to count by tens first because he has 5 $10 bills. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now that he has 7 $1 bills, we're going to count by ones. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So that means Mr. Sims has $57. And we will, of course, write a sentence. Mr. Sims has $57. I hope this video was very helpful for you. As always, please don't hesitate to message me or comment underneath the post that I post for any help needed. Send me your work, and you have an awesome Thursday, and I will see you on Friday. Have a great day. Bye.